Hi guys, so welcome back again. How will you check if your Facebook page is healthy for monetization or for any other thing? You know, many will be suspecting maybe my Facebook is not well, my Facebook is having issue, or it's not following terms and conditions. Let me show you the simplest way to check it. If your Facebook is healthy or is weak. Once you open your Facebook, you click on this profile, you click on dashboard. It is very simple. Okay, you click on dashboard, you click on page recommendation. Firstly, see this one, the last video I made, I did not reach to this extent I'm going now. So if you click here, you see that number one is ticking good, number two is also ticking good, content is recommendable, page has no violation. Then you click on page quality. Okay, if it has issue, you will not see page has no issue. So as you can see, this page now is very good. It's 100% good. So you see the good news there. See this thing, it's saying good news, no violation to show. Okay, my page is going wow. If content on a page goes against community standard, it can put the page at risk for restoration. So my page is good.